how to change permalink in WordPress. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change permalink in WordPress. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to log into your Permalink account, and here at the left side you'll be able to see a couple of options you can select from. So you got to click on posts and then you can click on all posts in order to view all of the posts. So once you click on all posts, you'll be redirected to your post section and you got to click on one post. So once you have opened your post, first what they had that is that permalink option was really obvious in WordPress settings tab, but now they have changed things around. So once you click on this, you got to click on these three dots, and then you got to click on, once you click on that, you got to click on settings. So once you click on that, you'll be able to see a couple of options. You got to click on edit and you will be redirected to the settings automatically. So once you click on that, you'll be able to see that an interface like this would be in front of you. So over here at the right side, you got to come to the option that says slug. So basically WordPress has moved things around and put permalink within slug. So you can customize the last part of the permalink over here, and then you can just change it and write it according to your own desire what you want. Here right now it is hello world, but you can just change it according to whatever you want. And now this was if the post is already been created. Now if you wish to create a new post, so you're gonna just come over here, click on post and then click on add new post, and once you click on that, you'll be redirected to an empty card. So first, WordPress didn't allow you to change permalink until and unless you save that as draft. But now when you come and click on slug, you'll be able to change the permalink even though if you have not saved it or even just saved as draft. So you can just click on it and change the permalink even though if you haven't set any draft. So that was how you can change your permalink on WordPress. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.